Good morning. It is Friday, the 17th of April, 17.4.2020. And today we are looking at our morning maths, which looks quite different from previous days because it is all worded questions today. Should we get going, Olga? Okay. Our first question says, circle three numbers below that add up to 100. So we've got 80 and 10 and 20 and 60. Now, for some of you, you might find this quite straightforward. Others might find it a bit trickier. So what we can do with questions like this is we can make all the numbers 10 times smaller. So instead of 100, we can have 10. Instead of 80, we can have 8. Instead of 1, instead of 10, we can have 1. And then you'd be looking at three numbers that would add up to 10. Because remember, we've looked at related number facts and how knowing that 8 plus 2 is 10 helps us when we're looking at 80 plus 20 and what that answer is, which is 100. Now, three numbers that add up to 100. What do you think, Olga? You think 80 plus 20? Is she right? She's not, is she? Because we need three numbers. Three numbers, Olga, that add up to 100. So, there's different ways we could do this. But one is we could look at 70 and 20, which makes 90, and then another 10, and that makes 100. But there's other ones. We could have 60 and 10 and 30. We could have 50 and 40 and 10. So three different ways of making 100. I don't know whether there might be some others that I haven't spotted. Next question. Colin sells 12 chocolate ice creams and 13 strawberry ice creams. How many ice creams does Colin sell in total? So, what do we need to do with this one? Yep, we need to add up 12 and 13. You're right, Olga. What method could we use for that? That's right, doing a column addition would help with that. So we've got 12, add 13, 2 add 3 is 5, 110 add 110 is 2 10s, and the answer is 25. Okay. Look at this number line. What number is the arrow pointing to? So we're going up in groups of 5, 50 to 55 to 60 to 65 to 70. So if we divide this up into 5 sections, I'm drawing 4 lines and then we've got 4 gaps, and we've got 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So that is pointing to 66. And then put 66 there. So that gives us that answer. Yeah? Good. I'm glad you approve, Olga. Oh, pardon you, Olga. How rude. Let's have a look at the next one. Poppy and Daniel have 25 toy cars between them. Poppy has 11 toy cars. How many toy cars does Daniel have? So, what could we do to help us work this out? We could draw a bar model to help us. We don't have to, but we could draw a bar model to help us. So there's our bar model. Right, how many did they have altogether? 25, so that's our whole number. So we put that at the top, and then we can put 11 at the bottom. That's how many Poppy has. And then we can draw a giant minus sign there to find out how many Daniel has. We do 25 minus 11. 25 minus 11. 5 take away 1 is 4. 2 10s take away 1 10 is 1 10. 14 toy cars. Poppy makes 10 cupcakes. She puts 4 chocolate buttons on each cupcake. How many chocolate buttons does she use? It's a bit tricky, isn't it? What number sentence would give us the answer? Do you know? What do you think, Olga? You're right, Olga. It's the same as doing 10 times 4. 10 times 4. And 10 times 4 is the same as 4 times 10. So if you don't know your 4 times table, you do know your 10 times table. For 4 times 10, hold up 4 fingers and we can count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. Our answer is 40. 10 times 4 is 40. So 40 chocolate bars, 40 chocolate buttons. Now the question carries on. She packs all 10 cupcakes into boxes. She puts 2 cupcakes in each box. How many boxes does she use? What kind of number sentence is that one? Olga's got the right answer. What do you think it is? It's a divide. Well done. And what division number sentence would it be? Olga says it is 10 divided by 2. What method might we use to do that, Olga? Oh, she suggests doing division on a number line. So we can draw our line, we've got 0 here, and then we're going to count in 2s until we get to 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's count the number of groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes. And those are all our answers for today's morning maths. Thank you for tuning in. Have a lovely day. Take care.